Let's look at the top 4 best investments that pay monthly. Number 4, peer-to-peer lending. For lenders, peer-to-peer lending offers the opportunity to earn higher returns than they would receive from a traditional savings account. Lenders can choose to either spread their money across multiple loans, diversifying their risk, or focusing on a single loan, maximizing their return. Either way, peer-to-peer lending can be a great way to earn extra income. Number 3, dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are a type of stock that pays out regular dividends to shareholders. These dividends can provide investors with a reliable source of income. While the dividend payout ratio varies from company to company, most companies aim to maintain a consistent dividend payout over time. Moreover, dividend stocks tend to be less volatile than other types of stocks, which means they can provide stability during times of market turbulence. For these reasons, dividend stocks are often considered to be a good long-term investment. While they may not offer the same potential for growth as other types of stocks, they can provide investors with a steady stream of income that can help to offset losses in other areas of their portfolio. Number 2, royalties. Most people know that one of the best ways to make money is to invest in something that will appreciate over time. However, many people don't realize that there are investments that can actually pay you monthly. Royalties are an example of this. Royalties are payments made to someone for the use of their intellectual property, such as a patent or copyrighted work. If you have created something that others want to use, you can earn royalties by granting them a license to do so. In addition to writing books and creating educational materials, there are other ways to generate royalties. For example, you could develop a new software program or composition. While it takes some upfront time and money to generate royalties, once they start coming in, they can provide a valuable source of ongoing income. Before I move on to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 1, rental property. There are many reasons why rental properties are a good investment. For one, they offer the potential for monthly income. This is unlike other investments which can fluctuate drastically in value and may not provide any steady income. Additionally, rental properties can appreciate in value over time, providing a nice nest egg to tap into later in life. And if carefully managed, rental properties can offer healthy returns on investment. Finally, rental properties can provide a measure of financial security in retirement, as they can offer a steady stream of income that can help to cover living expenses. All of these factors make rental properties a great investment for those looking to secure their financial future. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.